Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is Kaetech Digital. Now in this video, we're still talking about our Elementor Pro widget over here. And the widget that we're going to talk about today is the price table widget, this particular widget over here. Okay, that is what we're going to talk about today. Now, the last time we talked about the price list widget, where we created, a price table over here for our food menu. Okay, so that is exactly what we did the last time. Now in today's video, we're going to talk about the price table widget, this particular widget over here. Okay, so I'm just going to use it in creating something, and then you know what it will be done or it can be used for. Now mostly this particular widget is used for creating price tables. So for instance, if you, let's say you are you are selling membership plans, or you are selling different kinds of plans, and then you want to create a price table, you can use this pricing table to be able to create this particular idea that you have. So there are a lot of things that you can even search for. Now if you go to Google right now and then you search for maybe price or pricing table, okay, so let's say pricing table or membership table or whatever it is, you're going to see how those things looks like, and then you can be able to also use it to build your own kind of like a table or price table that we are going to build over here. Alright guys, so as you can see over here, these are some of the pricing table designs that you can be able to find on Google. Okay, so different designs over here. So as you can see, different designs. So this is the kind of design that we this is the kind of tables that we're going to use the widget to be able to create for us. Okay, so without wasting my time, we're going to go straight ahead and then use the pricing table widget to create something for ourselves. So I'm going to go to my Elementor page over here. Now I've created a lot of tutorials on this particular Elementor Pro widget. If you haven't watched it, please, there is a playlist down there. You can be able to go ahead and then watch all the tutorials that we created using the Elementor Pro widget. Now also, this particular tutorial is Elementor Pro. Okay, we're using Elementor Pro. So if you don't have Elementor Pro, I will entreat you to go ahead and then purchase Elementor Pro using the link in the description below, so that you can be able to follow along with this tutorial. But of course, you can also follow along so that anytime you get Elementor Pro, you can go ahead and then use that same skill to design your widget. Now this widget, what we're going to design over here, what we're going to use over here is a widget defined for us already. We're just going to just drag it in and then just input whatever that we want to input in. Now I'm not going to just do a lot of things about it. I just want to show you how it can be used. Okay, so let's go ahead and then create a flexbox container for it. So I'm going to click on flexbox over here, and then I'm going to just select this particular, okay, let me just select this particular one over here. Okay, and I'm going to create 3 different pricing table. Okay, so 3 different tables. So maybe one for gold, one for silver, or one for maybe diamond. It's just like a membership table that I'm going to create. So if you are creating a website whereby you have maybe you're selling hosting plans, or you're selling anything that deals with plans, you can be able to use this one. So let's say you are selling membership plans, and then you have 1 month membership, you have 6-month membership, and then you have 1 year membership. You can be able to use this one also. So it depends on what you are doing. That is why you can be able to use this one. So let's go ahead and click on the plus. I'm going to just drag in an inner container over here, so that we can be able to use the inner container also. So I'm going to drag in an inner container over here, and then I'm going to duplicate this one 3 times or twice. I'm going to just duplicate it twice. This is the first one, and this is the second one, so making 3. So 1, 2, 3 over here. So we have 3 different containers, inner containers over here. Now I'm going to click on this plus icon, and then I will drag in my pricing widget over here. So I'm going to search for price, and as you can see, this is the pricing table over here. I'll just drag it inside this one, and as you can see, this is how it looks like. Okay, very simple to use, very easy to use. So you can decide to copy this one and then paste this one also here, and then paste this one also here. So we have three different pricing tables over here. Now I'm just going to just going to say maybe monthly plan, semi whatever thing plan, and then yearly plan or annual plan. Okay, so semi-annual and then annual plan. Okay, so that is exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to just go for this one over here, and then the title over here, I'm going to just delete this one and say maybe monthly plan. Okay, and then you can enter a description over here if you have any description that you want to use. So for the description, maybe let me say this is a monthly plan. Okay, so that is it. And then you go to your pricing over here. Now, of course, you can change the dollar symbol to any symbol that you want to your to your country symbol, or to any, if your country is not here, you can just use a custom symbol over here. Okay, I'm going to leave it for the dollar, and then the price, you can change it to any price that you want. So let's say with a with a price over here, I'm going to say maybe the monthly, I'm going to say maybe 4.99. okay, so 49.99 USD per month. And then the currency format, also you can choose the currency format that you want. I'm going to leave it as default. And then the sale, if it is a sale, you can just toggle this one to switch it on. Okay, and then the features over here. Now we have the features over here. So these are the features, okay, that this particular pricing plan will give you. Okay, so over here you can just type in anything that you want to type in over here. These are the features. I'm not going to go. So maybe 1 month, get access to the website for 1 month. Get access to maybe whatever thing that you want to people to get access to. People will also get access to so many things. You can just add on and add on. Okay, I'm not going to go ahead and then do all that. And then we'll have this one, which is the footer. Okay, so with the footer over here, we have the button over here. You can just click over here to say what anything that you want to. So maybe I will say choose plan. Okay, so choose plan over here, and then you type in the link where you want them to choose to. Okay, so let's say maybe I have a WooCommerce store, or I have a WooCommerce installed. I can put in that particular product price, product link over here for people to be able to go over there and then purchase that particular plan over here. So that is with this one. And then you can just type in an additional information also over here if you want to. Okay, so that is it. Now if you go to the style over here, you can decide to customize it, style it anyhow you want to style it. Okay, so the header, we have the header over here. Now one last thing that we didn't talk about is the ribbon. Okay, now this is the ribbon. Okay, this is the ribbon. Now with this one, I don't want it to be saying popular. Okay, I just want to remove this one from it. I want the middle one to say popular, so that I want people to choose the middle one instead. Okay, so that people will know that, oh, okay, so this particular one is a little bit popular. Okay, and that is it. Now also I want to go over here, and then what I want to do is I want to just give it some gap. Okay, so I want to just give it a gap over here, so that there's kind of like a little bit of gap in between all the plans over here. Okay, so this is the monthly plan, and then I want to go ahead and style it. So let me just give it like a 10. Okay, so a 10, yeah, 10 is okay. So let me just go ahead and go over here and then go to a style. So you can style it anyhow you want it. So based on your design, or based on your your website design and other stuff, you can style it anyhow you want it. Okay, so all depends on what you want to do and then the kind of style you want to give it. So as you can see over here, our background color, we can decide to choose any color that we want. So let's say we want to choose this particular color over here, and that's how it's going to be like. So if the title color also, you can choose any color, but let's say I want to choose this one over here, making it blend with my website, you know, colors over there. So I think this one is also quite okay. And then with this footer also, I want to change it. Let me just go ahead and go to its footer over here, and I want to change this particular background. So I want to change this background to this accent. Oh, okay, so let me just ignore this one. So I'm gonna go over here and then undo it or clear it, but I want to choose for the button. Okay, so for the button, the background text over here, or the background type over here, I want to choose this particular one. Okay, so as you can see, and then the background text, I want to choose this one over here. Okay, making it a little bit blind with what I want. Okay, so basically I think this one is okay, and of course you can also decide to change the icon colors for the features also. So let me just go over here, and then the background over here, the color, okay, and then let me see the divider, you know. Okay, so the color also, you can choose the color of the divider and a whole lot of stuff. Okay, so basically I think everything is quite okay, and we are good to go. You are good to go. So if you want to choose divider also, you can choose the divider colors and all those things, and I think everything is fine, everything is okay. Let's see what this color does. I just want to see what this color does. Okay, so this color changes the color over here. Okay, so I'm just gonna bring it back to its normal, okay, which is this one, which is quite okay for me, and I think this is quite okay, this is good. So I'm gonna just leave it as it is, and I want to come over here, copy this particular one, and then I want it to come here, and then I want to just paste style. Okay, so that it's gonna blend through. Okay, so I want to paste style also with this one, paste style, so that I'm not going to do any styling again. Okay, the only thing I want to do is I want to change the background with this one to yellow and then write in black. Okay, so what I will do is I'm going to just click over here and go to its style over here, and then instead of you know, the black over here, I'm going to use this yellow color, and then the title color also, I want to use this accent color. Okay, so let's just wait for it to load, and then we'll see what it comes out with. All right, so this is how it looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like. So with the title, also I will go back. Let me just change the title to semi-annual. Okay, semi-annual. Oh, so this one says monthly play. Oh, okay, so it's not supposed to be monthly play, monthly plan. Okay, monthly plan. Yeah, so this one will be what, semi-annual. Yeah, semi-annual, and then we can just enter anything. So maybe this is semi-annual plan. Okay, so now we have this one done. Now we can go ahead and then do some few changes. So I want to go ahead and then with the subtitle over here, I want to make it also, you know, maybe the text color also over here, so something like this. Okay, so I think that is quite okay. And what I want to do is I want to lift this one a little bit higher above all the other ones. Okay, so what I can do is just click on this container over here, and then go to its advanced over here, and then I want to just unlink this padding and then give it let's say 20. Okay, so 20 goes down, right? But I want to give it like a negative 20 and see. And as you can see, it raises it with a little bit higher more than all the other ones. Okay, making it you know, very nicely done. Okay, so something like this, meaning that this one is what, this one is the most popular one that we want people to choose. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and then just edit the pricing for this one and then also for this one. And then I think this is how you can use the pricing or the pricing table widget. Okay, so I'm just going to click over here, go to its content over here, and then the pricing over here, instead of 399, I'm just going to say 1299. Okay, 1299, something like this. Oh, sorry, so something like this. All right, so it's going to be something like this. Okay, and instead of monthly, it's going to be you know, every 6 months. So I'm going to say every 6 months. So it's going to be what, every 6 months. Okay, and I think everything is what, everything is okay. And I'm going to do same for this particular one also. I'm going to go ahead, go over here, and then with a title over here, I'm going to say annual plan. So we have annual plan over here. You enter your description. So maybe this is a yearly plan. Okay, so this is a yearly plan, and then we go to its pricing over here, and then the pricing, let's say the pricing is going to be what, maybe 29 or maybe 199. Okay, 199 over here, and it's not going to be monthly, it's going to be yearly. Okay, it's going to be yearly, so every year you're going to pay this one over here. So basically we are good to go. And then I'm going to just remove the ribbon from here. Okay, I'm going to remove the ribbon from here, and that is how it goes. So what I would do also is come over here and then lift this one a little bit higher. So I'll go to its style over here. So I'm clicking on this particular container. Okay, and then I'm going to go to border over here. Now I'm going to give it a box shadow. Okay, so just want to give it a box shadow so that this one will raise a little bit higher. Okay, and then instead of the 20, let me just give it like you know, a 30. Okay, so I think this one is quite okay. And then with this one also, I'll click over here and then go to the advanced over here. Oh, go to its layout, sorry, not advanced, layout. And then you see this one that I gave you know, 10, I'm gonna give 5. Okay, so that it's going to be a little bit near. And then you see how it this particular one has been lifted up. Okay, so this is how the pricing plan really looks like. Okay, so you can decide to choose this plan or choose this plan or choose this plan. Let me just go ahead and then edit the button over here to say choose plan, choose plan. And so I'm going to go ahead and click on this pencil icon over here, go to footer, and then instead of click, I'm going to say choose plan. Okay, I'll do same for this particular one also. Go to footer over here, and instead of click here, I'll say choose plan. All right, so basically I'm good to go. So the only thing I need to do is just give it, you know, a little bit of a heading or something. So I'm gonna go down and then give it a heading for it. So let me just scroll up a little bit, and then over here I'm gonna click on this plus over here, and then I'll choose the Flexbox container, choose this particular first one over here, and then click on this particular one. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to advanced over here and then give it top and bottom margin. So I'm going to unlink the margin, give it top margin of 50, bottom margin of 80. Okay, yeah, or maybe let's say 100. Yeah, so this one is what, quite okay. Now I'm going to click over here, and then I'm going to drag in a header over here, and then I'll say pricing plans. So, or you can just say our pricing or pricing plans. Then I'm going to just put it in the middle, so I can use this alignment over here and put it in the middle over here. Okay, and now as you can see, we have our pricing plan over here, which is quite okay. So if everything is all right, just click on publish over here to publish it. Now of course I'm using Elementor hosting and Elementor Pro, so if you see that my publish or my update is over here, do not worry. Yours, if you're not using Elementor hosting, yours will be definitely over here. Okay, so that is it. So now I can go ahead and then go and view how my website really looks like. So let's go to our website and see how it looks like at the front end. All right, so to see how our website looks at the front end, we can just click on this one over here, this I button over here, which says what to preview it. So let's just click over here to preview our website and see how it looks like on the front end. All right, so we're gonna scroll down. Okay, so let's just scroll down and see how the website really looks like at the front end. All right guys, so this is how it looks like over here. So as you can see, this is what our pricing plans, and then we can see all the pricing plans that we have over here. Now of course we cannot see the bottom over here unless we adjust it. So I'm going to go over here and then scroll down over here, and then I'm going to adjust the bottom over here by clicking on this particular one, going to it advanced over here, and then I'm going to just give it a padding. Okay, so of course I can give it a padding, so I'm going to click over here and then give it a bottom padding of, let's say 100. Okay, so that there will be space over here. Okay, so that there will be space over here. So I'm just going to publish it, and this one will refresh for us, and we're going to see how it looks like again, and that is it. Okay, so as you can see, we can see how the bottom also looks like. Okay, so guys, that is how it looks like. Okay, now of course if your color, this color and this color is different, do not worry. All what you need to do is just change the color to white. Okay, so you can just change your color, the background color over here to white to match this color that you have over here. Okay, so basically that is how you can be able to create a pricing plan using this Elementor Pro widget over here. I hope this video helps you to be able to advance your web design skills by using the Elementor Pro widget to create amazing plans or pricing plans for your website. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.